is here and welcome to my channel. Time check 6:30 in the morning and I can hear that outside is raining. And I was late, went to bed last night and I'm still early get up. Our task for today guys is cleaning the house, laundry, feed fishes and etc. Without further ado, tara na! Cold and rainy. I think there's something typhoon. That is my breakfast. Guys, come and join me for my breakfast. Let's feed the fish, guys. The fishes, and they are very small and tiny. Yeah, I'm giving them food every morning, and then I will come back when I know that the food is done. Ayan guys, let's wash the colored clothes. The next one that I will wash guys is my blanket. Yeah, while I'm washing guys, I will gonna start cleaning the house while waiting for my clothes to finish. And let's put the soap and then Downy to smell good. And just wait for less than 1 hour and then 2 hours to be dry. Let's adjust for dry. Here we go. Two hours. Guys, I received my banana. Let's see what is inside. Because I ordered this banana guys for 2 weeks already and it's arrived. Oh, why it's green? I don't know what I order a green one. That is the different if the Chinese language cannot translate as English. And it's a lot guys, so I don't know how can I finish that one. Maybe some other will be wasted. Yeah, but anyway, it's arrived. Fish it. Here. Fish it.
Yes, yeah. Okay.
Okay, bye-bye. Yan guys, may ayuda ulit tayo. Bread. Oh, may banana na guys. Ang dami. Dami naman. And bread ulit. And what is this? I don't know what is this. And tomato. And this green. And I think that my favorite, lemon, my cucumber, another, and Oh, my favorite one, guys, Vienna sausage. The small, a big sausage. And this one. And then egg. And then I have this one. Pepper. Carrots. I have so many carrots. Oh, avocado. And oh shit. OMG, my rice. I have my rice. My life is here. And this one, guys. So it's done. And then so ayan, guys. So my rice, guys, is Thailand rice. So first time we're gonna taste this rice. And this one, I know it's Yakult. This is Yakult, guys. And I have only one Vienna and one this one. Yeah, this one, guys. Ayuda ni Mayor. Why there's no toothpaste? There's a soap, but no toothpaste. Times grocery. Wala siya. 0. So it means 0. Wala.
I'm losing myself tonight. Losing myself, I'm losing myself tonight. With your love, with your love, I'm losing myself, I'm losing myself tonight. Losing myself, I'm losing myself tonight. With your love, with your love, I'm losing myself. I'm losing myself tonight. Losing myself, I'm losing myself tonight. With your love, with your love, I'm losing myself. With your love, with your love, I'm losing myself.
Ayan, guys, it's evening. It's time to sleep. Time check 8:30 in the evening. And guys, if you are newly on my channel, don't forget to like, share this video, and turn on the notification bell down below. Good night everyone and see you in my next vlog.